Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can watch ESPN Plus on your Hulu TV. So on your Hulu, if you want to watch ESPN Plus, you can simply go to the top right corner and go to search. In your search bar, you can type in ESPN Plus. And the first one is going to show the ESPN Plus. If you click on the ESPN Plus, this is going to show you all of the ESPN Plus content. So right here, this is all of the live content of ESPN Plus and all of the upcoming content right here. Also the topics and the featured TV shows and everything that is available and everything that is popular on ESPN. You can watch anything NHL, NBA. So this is how you can watch ESPN on your Hulu. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.